Here is a demo of our solution. As you can see, this is the final user interface. We created a map based on the FCC data to show the cellular tower locations, calculated the latitude and longitude. Also, we have set a filter uh, here based on column 2, which is require column 2 less than 6,000. Um, this project is directly linked with the ADWC, and we can reload the data to get the most updated data inside ADWC. It only has a few dots here inside the map, and you can see after updates, it's still only a few dots, which reflects the um, newest data inside ADWC, which reflects the current data inside ADWC. We have scheduled an update job at 4:03, and as you can see right now, it's only 4:01. We can wait a while and reload the data to see the changes. Meanwhile, let me explain the workflow. Here, we have the FCC data available online through an URL link. And what we have in our model is that we set up a virtual machine to let the virtual machine download the data, unzip it, and then push it into Oracle Object Storage. This job is inside a virtual machine and is scheduled to happen every hour. Um, we also have set up a job inside the ADWC to load those new data from object storage every hour. Um, of course, we can easily change the scheduler to let the job run every day or every minute. We'll just wait till 4:03, and I believe we will see all those new data. As I mentioned before, we set up a filter here based on the column 2's value, but this is also just for demo purpose. In reality, you can this data visualization for desktop is a really powerful tool. You can create various kinds of visualization and based on those data, and you can also set filters. Like here, if we carefully select, we can choose to see the cellular tower inside one state or another. Mm, Okay, right now it's as you can see, it's 4:03 now. I believe the job is done. Let's reload the data here and see the changes. Okay. Uh, Now you see, this is the newest data inside ADWC, which apparently have many dots, much more dots than previously. Mm, so this is the model we want to show you that, okay, you got this interface for the user and it can um, have the most updated information. Um, and all those work like loading data from FCC, loading FCC data into object storage and load it into ADWC for further analysis and visualization. Those jobs have are scheduled to done automatically, and user don't need to worry about that. They can just see the most updated data here. Okay, let me go ahead and explain more. Uh, Here, uh, we can directly link to the virtual machine. As you can see, there's Ubuntu. Uh, it comes in with almost 46 gigabytes of space. It's large enough for our job here. We have made a script inside here, FCC VM object storage script. Um, It can download the FCC data, unzip it, and then upload it into object storage. Uh, this script is set to run every hour. We can see from the log file for record. Here, as you can see, it's scheduled to run at 55 every hour. Here, this line, as well as this line. And it will do all the job I mentioned, load data, unzip it, and push it to object storage. Once the data was in object storage, we have this uh, Oracle Machine Learning SQL notebook, uh, which comes within the ADWC. It's part of the ADWC system, and we have set up a script, a job to do to load the data from object storage into ADWC. Here's the script, and this script is set to run every hour. As you can see, there's a scheduler. When we click in, we can see the past records, like it has been run every hour. We just had it run at which time? This one at 03. And then the DVD2 will show the most updated information about cellular tower locations. Note that for demo purpose, here we have set those schedulers to run the job every hour. In reality, we can set it based on our needs, make it run like every week or every month.